In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an increase with single crochet stitches and a decrease with single crochet stitches. Hi, I'm Nicole Chase and welcome to my channel. I design fun and colorful amigurumi crochet patterns that are great for any skill level. In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase and decrease with the single crochet stitch. We'll be starting with the single crochet increase, which is just working 2 single crochets into the same stitch. So I'm going to start this next round with a yarn over and pull through to create a chain and then turn my work. And then in this first stitch, I'm going to work 2 single crochets. So working into that stitch, which is just below those top 2 loops, yarn over and pull up a loop. And now I have 2 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through, and that creates the first single crochet. And now I'm going to insert my hook back into that same stitch that we just worked that first single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. And that creates your second single crochet, and that completes the single crochet increase because there are now 2 single crochet stitches into that one stitch. So now I'm going to just work single crochets all the way across until I get to the last stitch of this row where I'll work another increase. And here at the last stitch of the row, I'm again going to work 2 single crochets into that stitch, creating another increase. So I started with a stitch count of 8, and after I completed this row where I have an increase both at the start and end of the row, I now have 10 stitches. And here you can see I've done 4 rows increasing in that same manner with an increase both at the start and end of each round. And you can see that the sides of the piece have gotten wider. And if you'll recall, we started with 8 single crochet stitches down here, and this last row has a stitch count of 14. Now we'll be working a single crochet decrease or a single crochet 2 together. So to start on the next round, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And to work a single crochet decrease, you will insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and you'll have 2 loops on your hook. Then insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and you now have 3 loops on your hook. Then to complete the decrease, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that completes the single crochet 2 together or single crochet decrease stitch. I'm going to continue single crocheting across this round and work another decrease in the remaining 2 stitches. Now with 2 stitches remaining, I'm going to again work that single crochet decrease. So insert my hook into the next stitch and draw up a loop, and do the same in the next stitch. Yarn over and draw up a loop, and with 3 loops on my hook, I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So this then takes my stitch count of 14 down to 12 because I have a decreasing stitch here bringing 2 stitches down to 1, and a decreasing stitch over here bringing 2 stitches down to 1. And here you can see I did a total of 4 rows where I again was decreasing at the start and end of each row. And I went from 8 stitches in the beginning all the way up to 14 stitches with the increases and back down to 8 stitches with the decreases. And here you can see how the increases and decreases affected the size of the piece. Here we have the same stitch count all the way across, then our increasing rows, and our decreasing rows to bring us back to 8 stitches. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.